We'll guide you through how to use the latest Claude model. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Anthropic website. Once you're there, sign in with your account or create a new one if you haven't yet. After logging in, navigate to the Claude model section. You'll see options for different versions of the Claude model. Choose the latest one, which should be highlighted as the most recent release. Click on it to access the model's interface. Now, you'll see a text input area where you can type the prompts or queries you want Claude to process. Type in your query, and make sure to be clear and concise to get the best results. Once you've entered your query, click the Run button to initiate the model's response. Claude will start processing your input and provide a response in the output section below. If you need to refine your query or want to ask something else, simply edit the text in the input area and click Run again. You can also explore advanced options by clicking the Settings icon, where you can adjust parameters like temperature or response length for more customized outputs. Experiment with these settings to see how they affect Claude's responses. Remember, the interface is designed to be user-friendly, so don't hesitate to try different queries and settings to see what works best for you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.